I haven't played my banjo in some time, but it's actually lots of fun to play. The old style, the claw hammer style, like this. I was driving in my truck one day, and I heard the music play, and all I wanted to do was turn up. Once you get it going, all the fellows and ladies, my goodness, my manners, can sing along. It's a hoot, actually. Yo, I am Yeehaw. Pew. Today we're getting back in the saddle again. That is one of my favorite songs, actually. I've been rocking the country for some time. I'm not a country boy. I do hail from the mountains. This has nothing to do with the video. I'm just showing my love for Gene Autry. I'm back in the saddle again. I'm serious. That was one of my favorite songs from my childhood. It was like one of the first songs in my life where I thought to myself, that's my favorite song. Welcome if you are new here. Wow, as you can see, there is much banter, but there is much boom boom. And when I say boom boom, I mean fat beats. I am going to get to the point. Can we have some fun? Come on. Come on. I need more coffee. Unbeknownst to you, it's 4 in the morning. I'm just going to keep saying what time it is throughout my videos so you can realize maybe that's why he's a little loopy. Hit that like button if you want a Yeehaw mug. Don't wash it. The acrylic paint that I so delicately applied to it will probably come off. It can only be rinsed with more hot coffee. Wow. Here we go. To get this party started off right, I have prepared some sounds. We have the swing and boom boom, which is a simple drum set, drum kit I made. Oh, little too much sauce there. Too much gravy on that biscuit. We have kick 1, kick 2, kick 3, and woody clap. That... Oh, I got a case of the woody clap. It's the gift that keeps on giving. That just sounds unfortunate. So I'm thinking like... I have no idea, actually. Next, we got the trappy boom boom. We got kicking dirt. Ooh, really, really, bold and all in your face. Then we got blazing snares. Ooh, that one's just mean. It's mad at you once again. Then we got sizzle hat. And trucker hat. Quite appropriate. I don't have a cowboy hat. When it comes to country, hats are very important. When it comes to trap, hats are very important. I call those things trappy traps. Get to it. Join the party. We're having fun. My goodness, friends, I nearly forgot. We got ourselves some fat bottom end. Ooh, 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 that's a good one. Ooh, nice and chunky. The way I like it. Oh yes. Carry on. Let's record some banjo. First, we need to do some research. Okay, what is the average tempo of a country song?
Popular songs range from less than 50 BPM to 200 BPM. Ballads are in the 50 to 70 range. Mid-tempo rockers, rhythm ballads, or hip-hop can range from 80 to 110.
What is the BPM of trap music?
Most tracks are usually between 70 to 110 BPM.
I don't think it matters what BPM we play in. But the clawhammer style is played with either your pointy fingernail or your bad fingernail, and you strike down on the strings. You strum like this. Oh yes. What are you doing back there? Come on. Come on, don't be shy. Let's go. Now, similar to playing the banjo, my fingers are not as fast on the pads, so I clicked it in. Let me show you what I got. You can tell the sizzle hat, it's keeping things going, and then the trucker hat is just having fun with it. Let's add a kick. Yep, we're just gonna duplicate that. Yeah, that's so satisfying. Now we can mess with the banjo too, like pitch it up or down. I haven't done that yet. I do it quite often. There's this banjo over here, and then all these trappy drums and boom booms over here. They're not really friends yet. We need to make them friends. Maybe with some fat bottom end. Nothing better than making a friend and some fat bottom end. It really does not have enough color. I want some more sparkle on my boom booms, on my bottom end. That bottom end needs to shine. Gotta keep the bottom end nice and shiny. This is getting stranger by the minute. There it is. Come on through, baby. Yo, my baby woke up. I gotta wipe her. Yeah, she needs a new diaper. No sleep. I stay up all the time making up rhymes. That's right. This is why I don't make trap music. I'm not cool enough to do it, but that's cool, cause I'm like a kid. I'm 30. Yeah, what's up, girl? I'm feeling flirty. That bassline dirty. It's that fat bottom end. Whew, I hope it never ends. Yeah, it looks that we are friends, cause we jamming and the party never ends. All I wanna do is get turned up. Turned up, turned up. All I wanna do is get turned up, turned up. I think we have a winner. So I got some chords recorded. I'm going to get some melodic elements recorded. She's a beauty. What? I had to make some minor adjustments, but check this out. It's a nice little melody. I feel like the banjo is just way too up in our face. It's all like, hey, I'm a banjo. Listen to me now. There's a way that you can tighten the sound. I'm going to see if this works. I've used it tons of times before. Ableton has different algorithms basically for warping sound. Since I pitched it down an octave, it's kind of noisy. You can then shorten the transient that it grabs. That is nice. It's super bouncy, vibey. It sounds kind of like something you get out of Gross Beat. You know, it has that chopped up, pitch down. That's perfect for the verse. Ooh, yeah. Let's add the other drums. The swinging boom boom. Recording that right now. Yes. We gotta do something about the brush. You know, this guy right here. Let's find some chops. Maybe even just that. Just gotta do something. You know what I mean? Just start moving sounds around. Sometimes you never know what'll happen. Boom, kick it. Oh yeah, the longer. Ah, that's tight. And it'll end like right on the snare. Yes. Something like that. Yes. Did it? Let's just listen to this. I think we just need a few more enhancements. Like old country western movies, there was like this victorious part at the end, and it was very happy and jolly, and it always had these open sounding strings. That's what I was hearing for the chorus. Like this. Oh yes.